Okay, I'm going to do a bit of a noise comparison between the electric wheel 6.1 and the electric wheel nano 2.1. And I've got a decibel meter here. That display is not showing up at all. At least I can't see it on the screen. Alright, so at angles it shows up. So my speaking voice is 40-ish decibels. So let's do the 6.1 first. So I will turn the volume up, speed up, so you can actually see where on the dial it is. So at about 50%, decibel meter says... it's not even picking it up because it just has 30 as its lowest default. We'll turn it all the way up to maximum. So at top speed it's saying it's about 47 decibels. And I'll do the same with the nano. And that's in the way a little bit, but that is at top speed, and it was sitting at about 42. Alright, about 43 decibels at the maximum speed.